Alright, so I'm on the airplane right now. I went past through security. And now we're going to be unboxing this Wolf Amiibo with my brother. This guy also wants to be in the video as well. Bro, I'm recording right now. Alright. You want to be in the video? Wait, hold on. You want to be in the video? This guy.
Okay.
Yeah. He wants to be in the video. We just met him. Well, anyways, guys, hold on, hold it.
My thing is broken.
There's the Wolf Amiibo.
And that's
Ready to open it. Wait, can you hold it, Brad? Okay. This is for Smash Bros. Ultimate. There it is, guys. Wolfie Wolf.
That's so cool.
Yep. It is.
You have the
cool.
Switch, right?
Yeah, I do.
Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
Oh wait, I'd rather YouTube. Like, I don't have Wi-Fi. Okay.
There's the Wolf Amiibo, guys. Look at that jacket, boys. Boys and girls, hopefully you guys like this.
Pack it back up. Let's.
Well, yeah, anyway.
Keep the box. It's cool.
I'll just see you guys when we get back to Canada so I can show you the rest of my Amiibo collection.
Yeah, we can scan this.
Well, yeah, guys, it's my birthday tomorrow. Well, yeah, guys, see you when I get home.